In this beginner video series, I will teach you how to meditate and breathe properly to help you relax and let go of stress, anxiety, and other negative emotions. Subscribe to not miss the new video from the series. Day 4, Feeling the Body. Hello and welcome to Dopamine. I know, some days you are not in the mood to meditate at all, or just sit still. But creating a new and constructive habit always takes persistence and time. The mind always resists everything new. This is what happens to everyone, and with every new habit we want to instill in ourselves. So, in 10 minutes every day, you will slowly integrate meditation into your life, more and more, until it becomes an integral part of it. Now, let's get started. Find a comfortable sitting position. Make sure the position is absolutely comfortable for you. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel how your whole body, starting from the top of your head and ending with the soles of your feet, becomes heavier. And once again, a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your legs and hips press your weight into the floor. And another breath in, deep and long. And as you exhale, feel your shoulders, lower them. Relax your hands, palms, starting at the top of your head, feel your whole head. Feel the temples. Inner part of ears, back of the head, and while the breath flows naturally and effortlessly, relax your eyes. Back surface of the eyes, the inner surface of the mouth, relax your lips, jaw, invite points on the neck to relax. Release the tension from your shoulders as well. Let your chest, belly, and back relax with each exhalation, more and more. Now, begin to closely examine your breath. It's like looking at the waves in the ocean. How do these waves move inside your body? Maybe you even feel your chest expanding and contracting, and the wall of the abdomen contracts and is pushed out with every breath. Can you feel your shoulders rise and fall a little with each breath? Or you feel a slight chill inside your nostrils as you inhale, and pleasant warmth on the exhale. Let each inhalation and each exhalation spread throughout the body. With each breath in, let life flow into you through the soles of your feet, through the palms, fingertips, and with each exhalation, let relaxation fill every corner and part of your body, from head to toe. And while you're watching this, you may also notice the thoughts that come to your mind. These may be comments about meditation, self-condemnation, maybe plans, scenes from the past, or memories that suddenly come to mind. No need to judge yourself for these movements of the mind. Having these thoughts does not invalidate meditation. On the contrary, it gives you a chance to consciously observe them from the sidelines, just like you watch the waves of breath. Thoughts come and they leave. Just remember and always return to the breath. Watch how your whole body moves under the influence of inhalation and exhalation, as long as you're sitting comfortably in your position. And without changing this current state of consciousness, slowly open your eyes. If your eyes were open, start simply looking from object to object. How do you feel? Be aware of this step. Step forward on your path to meditation. Thank you for the practice. I am so proud of you. and I hope to see you soon.